If the shoe fits, wear it. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. If the shoe fits, wear it. This age-old proverb has more depth and meaning than what meets the eye. It implies that when something is suitable or appropriate for you, embrace it and make the most of it. In other words, it's crucial to recognize and capitalize on opportunities that come our way. The proverb is also about finding the right fit, be it a career, a relationship, or a hobby. It's essential to choose something that resonates with your personality, interests, and skills. Embracing something that doesn't fit well or goes against your values or beliefs can lead to dissatisfaction, stress, and unhappiness. Applying this proverb to our lives can bring numerous benefits. For instance, when we find the right fit, we are likely to excel and reach our full potential, resulting in success and contentment. Conversely, when we force ourselves into a situation or relationship that doesn't fit, it can lead to failure and disappointment. Moreover, wearing the right shoes is crucial for our physical and mental well-being. Ill-fitting shoes can lead to discomfort, pain, and even injuries. Similarly, in life, not recognizing and wearing the right fit can create unnecessary struggles and challenges. In conclusion, if the shoe fits, wear it is a powerful lesson that reminds us that we should embrace opportunities and situations that match our interests and values. It encourages us to make informed choices that lead to happiness, success, and well-being. Therefore, it's important to listen to our intuition and pay attention to our instincts to find the right fit. Remember, we have the power to choose our path in life, and it's up to us to make the most of it by wearing the right shoes. So, if the shoe fits, wear it, and take a stride towards a fulfilling and rewarding life. If the shoe doesn't fit, don't force trying to fit into something that doesn't work for you can lead to stress, disappointment, and even physical or emotional harm. It's okay to try new things and step out of your comfort zone, but it's important to recognize the signs when something isn't working and make changes to avoid the negative consequences. Whether it's a job, a relationship, or a habit, finding the right fit may require trial and error, but the effort is worth it in the end. So be true to yourself, listen to your instincts, and don't be afraid to keep searching until you find the perfect fit. If the shoe fits, wear it, and take a step towards a fulfilling life. When we embrace opportunities and situations that match our interests and values, we set ourselves up for success and happiness. On the other hand, trying to force ourselves into situations that don't fit can lead to stress and disappointment. Therefore, it's essential to pay attention to our instincts and make informed choices to find the. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.